These are the best mortgage companies and banks for home equity lines of credit where I would personally go get a HELOC as a mortgage broker. Many of you guys asked me to make this list, so here we go. But before I give you my list, you need to know that the prime rate right now is 7.5%. This is really important to know because this is how banks end up pricing out your interest rate. Number 4, PNC Bank. Their customer service might not be the best and a lot of people do complain about it, but their HELOC programs and rates are very solid. They have both variable and fixed interest rate HELOCs, and they go up to 85% loan to value in some states for second mortgage HELOC. That's pretty high for being a bank. Their interest rates start at prime plus 0.74% for well-qualified clients. Number 3, Alliant Credit Union. I didn't really know too much about this place until a client of mine told me about it a few months ago, and from what I've looked into, I would say they are a pretty solid option. Right now, they are running a 3.99% rate for the first 6 months, and then the rate goes between 7.75% to 16%. Now, you will be guessing correctly that to have the lower interest rate, you need to have pretty strong credit scores and a lot of equity. Alliant doesn't require appraisals on lines up to $250,000, and they give you up to 85% loan to value. Number 2, Fifth Third Bank. They're one of the very few banks that have an interest rate starting at below prime for most qualified borrowers. They lend up to 80% loan to value for their HELOC programs, and they also have a pretty low minimum credit score of 660, which is very low for HELOCs. Number 1, Truist. Look, if I ever was gonna go get a mortgage through a bank, I will probably have Truist somewhere on top of my list because they're actually pretty decent at doing mortgages. It might be a little bit tough to qualify for a Truist HELOC because you wanna be a prime borrower, but their interest rates are extremely good. Right now, they're running a 5.99% intro APR for the first 9 months, and then it ranges from 7.5% to 14.85%. Truist will also give you a HELOC up to 85% loan to value. Guys, I'm a mortgage broker, so if you have any questions, just put it in the comments or send me a DM.